Inhale the good shit. Exhale the bullshit. What's up, y'all? Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be watching 75 most unbelievable nature moments ever caught on camera. Should be pretty interesting. Let's get right into it. Look at him go! Flying roller coaster ride. No place I'd rather be. Hey!
On! Oh!
Holy shit!
Oh my god!
Look at the size of that iceberg. Dude,
Ooh.
that shit is insane. Why are you standing? Why are you standing in there? Why? Aren't those like hot? You're so funny. Hey! Can you say hello? Just
Take a
standing
look
there
at this
taking
breathtaking
pictures.
moment.
As long as you get your picture, you know, fuck. What the fuck do you do in this situation? What do you do? Everybody's standing there. Why are you standing there? Go in there. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You know you wanna. What just happened?
That was a goodie.
See how straight
Did
this
that rock
smoke.
just come flying back? See, that's karma right there. Okay, that's karma. What if somebody was underneath all that shit and it just smacked them in the noggin? Mother Nature said, "No, bitch, this is yours."
Планета идет куда-то. Ёбана.
I don't care what no. I'm not a weather boy, and neither are you. Okay, that's an alien. That's an alien.
Watch out, Zach. She's gonna spin over.
Why are you doing this? What did that tree do to you? Okay. What about it? What the fuck?
There's the doggy. How was that ride?
I don't understand. How did it get in there? I don't get it. How did it get in there? No, that's not normal. Is this real? Is this real? Is it playing with me? How did it get in there? I'm from Ohio. We don't have no lava. What the fuck? What just happened? You didn't check in, bitch? Get the fuck out of here. Damn.
What?
Earth. Oh, damn.
National Park, people stand spellbound as a massive geyser erupts, launching towering clouds of steam and dark ash into the sky. This breathtaking display captures the sheer, untamed power of nature.
People who just drive so far to go there to these geysers and not even know if them bitches gonna go off. And then when they do, you run the other way. Obviously, you got to. Did you get your money's worth of gas? Was it worth the gas? Oh, look at Patricia. She is showing off today, y'all. That is an alien. You're not a weather boy. That's a fucking alien. Nobody can tell me different. I don't care. Look.
Water spout
They
is both
beaming something up.
terrifying
See?
and awe-inspiring.
Look, they beaming it up straight to space, okay? Or they're sending a new species down into the water. That's how the aliens do things. And we think that we got it all figured out. Oh no, it's gonna take you down with it. No, your boat. Who's attached to it? Huh? What the fuck is that, y'all? What is that? Are those hermit crab? See? No. That's a fucking alien. It is. Where's it going? Look at him. This is why women live longer. Why? What was the point of this? You gonna stand on the same ice that you trying to blow up? The Let me just back up a little bit. Why did you do it? Where are you going? Where's he? Where are you going? This is why women live longer. It is. And me, because I'm not doing that. Look at you. Okay. That's dope. That's dope. But you better go, man. That's just coming down quick. Run! It's coming quick. That water's gonna be hot as hell. It's gonna melt your boat. It's gonna melt the boat. You standing there taking pictures like you ain't gonna die. You gonna boil. You're gonna boil. You're gonna boil. Your boat is fucked. It's gonna overheat.
This is a mud volcano, always bubbling and shifting with constant movement.
Bro, this is that motherfucking bath that Sid was in when he was trying to get the ladies. This is the brothel spot of the Ice Age. What happens if you touch it? Bro, my eyebrow is so fucked up. You see this shit? This should be fucking... I got big ass eyebrows.
Spotted over a mountain in Spain, remaining completely still for 24 hours.
No. You've heard me say it. That's an alien. Bro, look at that. What? I'm so confused. Why did you just assault the earth like that, bro? Patricia is now gonna be pissed at you and spit out flames of fury. Why does he have a lighter? What's going on?
There is a substantial amount of natural gas available here.
Okay. So let's light it on fire. In the middle of the forest. How many women have we seen in these clips doing this? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Hey. That is disgusting. That is the wrath of Poseidon. Somebody is sitting there recording it. Or is that like a secure? No, somebody's sitting there recording it. Of course they are.
Wow.
Run. Run. That is beautiful, but fucking run. You don't think that lava can hit you? It looks so close. Fuck is right. Fuck is right. Fuck is right.
Thank you guys for watching Road to 10K. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.